When can a contract be rescinded under contract law? Breaking news in the world of business law. The question on many people's minds today is, when can a contract actually be rescinded? As recent events unfold, understanding this topic is more important than ever. If you are navigating a contract dispute or simply curious about your rights, you are in the right place. A contract can be rescinded when it is legally voided, returning both parties to their original positions as if the contract had never existed. This process typically applies when there are valid grounds for undoing the contract. One common reason for rescission is mutual mistake. This occurs when both parties enter into the contract under a misunderstanding about a fundamental fact. For example, if both parties believe they are selling and buying a specific item, but it turns out the item is different, rescission may be warranted. Another reason is fraud or misrepresentation. If one party was misled into entering the contract based on false statements or deceptive conduct, they may have grounds for rescission. Duress or undue influence is also a valid reason. If a party was forced or unfairly pressured into the agreement, rescission can be an option. Breach of contract is another significant factor. If one party materially breaches the contract, the other party may be justified in rescinding the agreement, especially if the breach undermines the contract's purpose. Lack of capacity is a critical point as well. If a party lacked the legal ability to contract, such as minors or mentally incapacitated individuals, rescission may be allowed. Illegality is a straightforward reason for rescission. Contracts formed for illegal purposes are void and can be rescinded without question. In some business contexts, contracts may also be terminated immediately due to specific breaches or insolvency events. For instance, if a party repeatedly breaches material terms and fails to remedy the situation, rescission may be justified. Certain laws provide specific cancellation rights. For example, in timeshare contracts, buyers often have a statutory right to rescind within a defined period, like 5 days in Colorado. Rescission aims to restore both parties to their precontractual status, often requiring restitution of any benefits exchanged under the contract. Understanding these grounds for rescission can help you navigate complex contract situations and protect your rights.